Hello YouTube. So today I'm driving to Shamburg. I'm going for a volunteer work. It's called seat packing. I don't know what the seat packing is, but like it's my first time going for a volunteer work in America. Let's see how things go. 저 확인해 볼게요. 알사카?
Osaka.
Mhm.
Perfect. Signature. What's your name?
My name is Young Bean.
Young.
Young Bean. 오늘 아까 일한 거 영상 조금 찍었는데 거기 얼굴 나온 거 모자이크 해드릴까요? 아니면 그냥 나와도
모자이크 해주세요. 저는 오늘 쌩얼이기 때문에.
아 괜찮으세요? 블러 처리해드릴까요?
네, 저도 불러.
네.
불러.
Hi, I just came to fix my Dyson. It just died. Okay, thank you. Okay, do I pay anything?
No, I put it under warranty for you since you said it was about a year in. I just took your word for it. You're all set to go.
How long is the warranty?
For 2 years.
2 years. Okay.
I noticed that the serial number is pretty recent, so it made sense. Take
you.
care, okay?
Thank you. Have a good day. So I came here because my vacuum started like blinking. So here's the charging light. This one here shows the battery, and it started blinking like red and blue. So I thought like there was something wrong with the battery with the charging. It started not working. I thought it would take a while for me to get serviced, but it was really quick. So I think what the engineer did was just replacing the battery, and as it was in the warranty period, which is 2 years, I didn't pay anything. It's a good customer service, I guess. Right now I'm working on grading the students that I'm TAing. Because the assignment itself was done well, so I gave 100% score.
Attend lectures online, even they prefer to.
What about if it is quizzes? Is it the same like
Yeah, that's true.
Hey Google, turn on the vanity. Hello everybody, so today I'm going to a job fair called Tech Chicago. This Tech Chicago is the job fair that's gonna be happening at Willis Tower in Chicago, downtown.
we going?
Third floor.
So you're gonna press 2.
2, okay.
So take B elevator, and when you get off, go to your right.
Okay, thank you. Hello.
All right, Kifan Ninta, I'll ask you your last name. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, welcome.
Hello.
I can scan you, find your name, see which
Yep.
table I can send you to. JA. So you are one more over.
Okay, thank you.
How's it going?
JA.
J-A, and then can you spell the rest of your last name?
JANG.
Oh, J-A-N-E?
G. Here.
There you are.
Thank you.
Thank you, and it's right around the corner.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go check the food first. I could have lunch here. I didn't know that they're providing food here.
Are you vlogging everything?
Yeah.
That's cool. Do you have like a YouTube channel or something?
Yeah, just started.
Oh, okay. Is that like the whole premise of the YouTube channel? Like just to like vlog your
Yeah, just my life, daily life.
yeah.
I came to a pop-up called Jack's Pumpkin Pop-Up. Thank you. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Cheese. Okay, there you go. Where am I going? I'm going to the haunted house called Midnight Terror or something. It's my first time ever to go to a haunted house here in the US. So let's see how it is. I think this is a metro station.
I think I did like it better than everything.
Fast pass.
Right behind me. Enjoy your night.
I am more worried about not understanding their English because they are yelling. Oh, it's so dark. Oh, here should be something. Oh, there's someone. Here should be someone, right? Behind you.